This is the Great Ocean Road. It's through the rainforest. What a road. Been driving this for 15 minutes, and all it is a big snake just back and forth and back and forth. And trees, you can just see how lush everything is. They said 400 inches of rain a year in the lower parts, and as you go up higher through the hills, it goes up to 1,000 inches. It's just crazy. Gotta watch for logging trucks and this and that, but it's pretty cool, some of the size of the trees. Definitely makes the road in America look straight, and that was a fairly curvy road too. This is just crazy. This is in Geelong, Victoria, along the coastline in Australia. Just to get a feel for it. Let's twist and turn and twist and turn. Wow. Get me out of this rainforest. Pretty wild.